How to change the keys in a Kwikset smart lock. You're gonna need an old set of keys, a new set of keys, and one of these. First, you're gonna take the old set of keys, put it in the lock. Then you're gonna take this. There's a little hole down here that this goes into. It fits in there like so. And you want to press that in, then you want to turn the whole thing, in our case, counterclockwise, looking at it counterclockwise. So now you're going to want to take the old keys out while still pressing in the, whatever this thing is called. I really don't know the name for it. It's just something really thin and small. And so take the old set of keys out while still pushing this in. And then put the new keys, put one of the new keys in. It resets the pins inside the lock. Now with the new key in, turn it back to facing right side up. And then you can take this small tool out. You can test all the keys. Like and subscribe.